washing machine and fill pipe and everything. So now I will put the washing machine in. I'm going to move the washing machine over first, then I will take out its drum locking bolts and replace it with these little caps.
So this is the washing machine. One, two, three.
What I will do then is remove these big 3 bolts at the back.
Yeah,
So as you can see, there's 3 of these, which locks the drum in place.
Okay, so
they
1, 2,
and the third one there.
3.
Yeah.
So you need to remove it to what?
Because it locks the drum in place. So take them out. Pull the bolt out, like that,
Oh, it looks like this.
and then replace it with a cap.
Oh, so it's like a safety features.
Yeah, it's a travelling, so it stops the drum from banging around.
So you only put this when you transport.
It's in, yeah, it's transport screws.
Wow, this is amazing. So there's 3 of them. And then you pull, yeah.
And then plastic bun.
So the cup looks like this. So basically, yeah, it's just a plastic safety features. This is the 3rd one.
Oops. And then pull out.
Yep, that's the 3rd one.
And then the 3rd cap. And now the drum can move freely. There we go. And then we've got our waste pipe.
Where's the waste?
There's the waste pipe.
Yeah,
Washing
okay.
machine.
Okay.
And then
Yeah, plug them in. Yeah.
and then this.
We'll try to put that on the hole.
Over here.
1, 2.
And I should do that afterwards.
And then you pull on the other side.
Yeah, and then I need to open the cover. I would then attach this first. So this is the fill pipe.
Pipe, yeah.
And then we attach it to here,
Yeah.
under there, and then it goes into the top of the machine just there.
Just there.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is the use of the pipe for?
This is to put the cold water into the machine.
Ah. Cold water in the washing machine. And there's another hot water as well?
No, because all energy efficient machines only use cold water.
Yeah.
And then there's the heat is done by the machine itself.
That's how it. Ah, okay. So the machine will produce the hot water
So, yeah.
itself.
Yeah.
I see.
That one goes in there. So that one, you've got to move it a little bit closer so I can attach the pipe there. Right, let's move these.
Okay.
It's just turn the water, once you've got both ends of the water connected, it's turn it on to make sure you've got no leaks. There we go, that's it.
So
no
it's
leaks.
like you're testing it first.
Yeah,
Excuse me.
and no leaks.
I need to eat my food.
Okay, and then we just turn it off for the time being because it's already pressurized water. So if you turn it off for safety, so if there is a leak afterwards, you're not going to have gushings of water because it's only what's in the pipe.
Oh, wow. That's very clever, hon. I didn't know that before.
Yeah, and now.
Mama, but you know it now, didn't you?
Yeah, I know it now.
Connected. Done.
Okay.
Yeah. Done and dusted. So that's the washing machine in. All we've got to now is slide it in its hole.
Okay.
tight because I tested it yesterday, and they only just fit in as well.
This is like a standard size wherever
Yeah, but
house you buy.
There's no gap.
Yeah.
There's only a gap between there and there, but there's hardly any gap between there and there.
Yeah.
So you've got to wiggle it in. Problem is this has got no wheels on it.
So when you buy a new house, it's all standard size space, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, and then push it on the other side.
That's it.
And then so you have to just wiggle it until so actually fit.
Only just.
Just.
Yeah. Part of the washing machine.
One, two, three.
Because this has got no wheels on it.
Why didn't
Good question. I don't suppose they
and then they charge £500 for just one wheel.
one without wheels. The thing is, idea is it's designed to be
You
quiet.
should go to have a slide sheet to just like shh.
Yeah. Or we just push at the bottom.
One, two, three. Okay.
Grease, washing up liquid. Because normally you do this and we can walk it in, but because it's a tight fit, you've got no way to wiggle it in.
So what are we gonna do?
So you literally have to push. Root mixture.
That's a good idea. The struggle is real. Push.
Might not be doing what I should say with the washing machine, no?
That's very effective.
But now I'm stuck because I can't go any further.
You're not
Right.
stuck.
No.
1, 2, 3.
It's at the bottom where it's got to go in, darling. That's what the rubber feet are. Should have put washing up liquid on the bed.
One, two, one, two, three, go.
Oh, big bum just slides along the floor.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Washing machine.
Installation in half. Push against.
It's moving. It's moving.
That's it. That's it.
Yes! High five, dude. So this is the success of the washing machine installation. It's the
Success of the washing machine installation. It's in that hole. Yay! Yay!
high five, dude.
One down, two to go. Okay, so now the wash in, we can just turn the tap on. And there we go.
It means there's no leaks.
And there's no leaks because there's no rushing the sound of water.
Okay.
Yes.
Yay! Success!
Right, so this is a sticker that you must display on the washing machine. It tells you the energy efficiency, how much water, how much electricity, how quiet it is, and the maximum load, which is 9 kg, and it's 130 kilowatts per year. That's why it's an A triple star rated energy efficient washing machine.
Yeah, it means you save a lot of electricity.
Yeah, and how quiet it is and how noisy it is. So very, 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 very quiet.
Very quiet.
So basically,
So we put it here.
at the bottom, display the energy efficiency of the washing machine. There we go.
That sticks there forever.
And that stays there forever, yeah. And it tells people the model number.
So when something goes,
Goes wrong, they got the model number and what it should be doing. Next. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the washing machine. Near enough a full spin, and you can hear how quiet it is. This is the brilliant technology of digital inverter technology motors, which makes them very, very, very quiet, as you can hear. Here we go, coming to the end of the wash, and with this machine it plays a tune. So we'll listen out for the tune. There we go, there's the tune. Yeah, just to let you know it's finished, plays the tune.